Razor did that once.
What's that?
The Razor did that once.
Did it?
Power steering shut off. My hands are cold.
Mine are fine.
You got warm ones?
No, I just got mini mitts underneath.
Yeah.
I got so much in my helmet right now that like my nose is getting squished. Oh really? Keeping it warm though. Like I'm not cold at all. Slightest bit. I'm only cold when I stand up. My crotch gets a little cold, that's it. When I stand up for too long. Yeah, these Carhartts aren't bad.
Oh, yeah, they're good. These Polaris pants, they're good.
I've been talking to the camera the whole time. Have you? Oh yeah. Like just anything I would normally say on a normal ride, I'm just talking nonsense. So you'll get to hear all that. That's bad. So you'll get to hear what? So you'll get to hear all that too in the video. Has any of you guys talked to the camera during
I haven't yet.
No. I know he can hear me, but I always forget that it's there.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm talking like I normally would on a ride. Darren and Kross got some new toys. You guys want to go through your kits? So I got a bunch of stuff. I ordered a bundle package, I guess they called it. And they came with this magnetic, I think they call it like a teeth clip or a tooth clip or something like that, but it's magnet on the back. Realistically, I pretty much only use this if I'm riding with a backpack. I'll put the mount like this, and then I'll clip it on my backpack like so.
Oh yeah.
And then it films. It's pretty good. It's decent angles and it's pretty close to my mouth so you can hear me talk. With this floating handle, so if we want to do selfies and stuff like that, I guess I could.
I like that. I like that handle like whenever I'm holding it, like just in the shop here and like filming you guys working or something. I like that handle. It's comfortable too.
It's a nice foam. This orange piece is a floater. So if we're out by the dam or something come summertime and we're doing, stuff on the lake,
yeah,
then if we drop it, then it's gonna float. And these are good underwater, I believe, up to like 30 feet or something like that. So if it's 30 feet deep, then we've probably done something wrong. So
yeah. Wasn't meant to be if we're 30 feet.
Exactly. So if we're ice fishing or we're fishing in the summer or we're just doing something on the ATVs down by the dam, this is probably what we'll be filming with, just for safety measures. This is not part of the bundle. I just picked this up. Snap Mounts is the company's name. And as you can see by the struggle there, it's a pretty good magnet. The idea behind this is that you could, same idea as the clip here, but I could just put it on there instead of using a chest piece or chest mount.
Oh, let's get a look at that. Okay,
right?
yeah.
You could put it on your car. Now this company also has a mat. I'm not gonna put it to the car, but this company has a mat that you can, it's a magnetic mat that you put on the car, and then you would put that on top of it.
Oh yeah.
You can get different angles, like by the wheel. You can put it on your hood, and you can keep an eye on it. If you're doing a selfie, you can come over to the fridge, and you're doing like a one-on-one with the camera. Maybe we're doing a review later. Versatile and good magnets. Came in like a week and a bit, so not too bad.
So me and Kross ordered these two GoPros. And how much were they a piece there, Zach? $5.30, something like that? You got them a little bit on sale, I think?
Yeah, $5.30.
Right.
They're typically $5.99.
Yeah.
I got mine. Mine was a deal as well. I believe with the bundle package, it was around $600. So. Oh
yeah, and you got a lot of different fittings on yours too.
So yeah, these two clips or mounts, they came with the bundle package. This one did not. This one also comes with the lanyard. There's a way that you can like kind of keep it up here and then you mount it so that if it did come loose for whatever reason, you're not going to lose anything.
Right.
So that's kind of nice too. This one came with a battery as well. So I have 2 batteries. And then that's pretty much it that came with the bundle. Now, if you go to a normal kit, charging cable, that also came with mine, I just don't have it here. It comes with this little tray if you wanted to keep it a little more sturdy. Then mine is a little loose. I took mine out because you get a little bit more room. It comes with this cable, comes with the camera, comes with one of these mounts. Stickers. We all know that we like stickers around here. We put on a bunch of stuff. What's good about the Hero 9 Black is that it actually comes with these carrying cases. Before this model, I believe it was the 8, it still came in this plastic, so in this box that it comes in, it would be kind of like a short box like this, and then it would be a plastic container that it was in, so you couldn't reuse the plastic container. This actually comes with a carrying case, so I just throw this in the front of my Sportsman. We all know the big space that it has in the trunk there, and it fits perfectly. And take it with me wherever I want. Like I said, these magnets are good.
Yeah, it looks like it's fairly strong too. Ooh. So right on. Yeah, so me and Kross got some GoPros here. Zach's been doing all the filming and stuff, so we tried them out today. More angles and more stuff to work with. Now we all have one, and we're gonna do some mounts on the Razor also. Any helmet that we wear, we each have a couple helmets, so we'll make sure we got mounts on all our helmets and the Razor too, and that way we won't miss any coverage and be a lot more angles.
With the new GoPro cameras, we're obviously gonna have better footage, more footage, better angles, and then if something happens behind me, it's now gonna be recorded. And we've hung up the MBRP sign for good. Added a Canadian flag for everybody that was wondering where a Canadian flag was, since we're from Saskatchewan. The American flag, and then the Flow Pro. You know you're from Saskatchewan if you have a Pilsner sign in your shop.
And our Bacardi, custom made
Bacardi sign.
Bacardi sign.
So it's Saturday night. Let's finish off the night with a drink. Cheers.